everyone, welcome to For Brothers Art Hub. My name's David, and we're gonna draw a pie. Grab your pens and pencils and everything you have, and let's get drawing. You can use a marker, pencil, or any other thing you have. Now we're gonna start with the curve. We're gonna do a big semicircle. Then we're gonna do little semicircles. Then we're gonna do some semicircles behind it. Then we're gonna cover each end with a line. Then we can add two lines that are going this way, and then add a straight line down. Then add some seeds. Then add some lines. Then we can draw the face. Draw two dots and one curve with a smile. We finished our pie. Now it's time to color. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and thank you for having fun just like I did, and see you